have poppin'. I'm just gonna.
This is what it looks like. Welcome to.
But Casey, I'll merge you in Arcane if you pay Robux one more time.
Okay.
What?
Sure.
Why?
Jack doesn't know. Jack, have you ever been a pirate?
No, but did you hear about the pirate that saw the 18 plus movie?
You mean pirating movies?
It was 18 plus because it was rated R.
Oh.
Oh my god. That is probably the most. Oh my god. I don't know what I feel about this joke.
You feel a lot.
The most. Oh, Snapple's an egg! You have an egghead!
How did you just notice that?
I haven't seen this avatar before.
Well, now you have.
Yeah.
Even with her glasses, she's still very blind.
Oh snap. I've always been blind. Ever since I was a young child, I couldn't see the world properly. No.
Now this makes me want to build like an underground bunker in Bloxburg.
I love your
Yes.
Making a horror game. We're making a horror game, so we could definitely make a basement in the horror game world.
No, but like not
Where
that.
would they put the corpses?
No, but they still have a movie.
No, for the
Yeah.
bones.
Does this ventilation system tech ever change at all?
We just grate it, right?
You guys are not telling.
Then just
Like, okay.
they turn it into like powder and then just sprinkle it.
Okay.
Okay, don't tell them, okay?
Oh god.
Just don't.
We told Tracy this, Jack. We will just quickly tell you we're making a horror game based kind of off Sweetie Todd.
Sweeney Todd.
Off of
Sweeney
what?
Todd. Sweeney Todd.
Okay, if you don't know about it, it's probably best if you don't know about
A
it.
dark musical about cannibals.
Oh. Yow.
And we're making a horror
Okay,
game.
period.
Gal and me are planning to make a horror game about it. Like kind of like
Based on it, but also not based on it. Like, it's hard to explain. But Sweeney Todd's literally just a man named Sweeney Todd who
bakes people in pies.
bakes people in pies and sell them, and people don't know that they're eating humans
In pop.
Oh.
in a pie.
It's
Bro.
I hope
disturbing.
It is. I've never seen it.
We
I
got-
probably don't want to see it.
but we heard.
Okay, well, we got two bonus disasters on the horizon. First is gonna be a hurricane.
It's a volcano.
What? Bro. Hurricane,
I feel-
zombieization, black hole.
Wait. Oh my god. Someone made a hurricane. The other person did zombie invasion, and someone did a black hole.
Okay.
Yeah, but these bonus
Well,
disasters only happen once per round.
Thank God.
Snap!
Snap.
Snap!
Yeah.
Wow.
Why?
Snappo, you really want hell on.
I love
I'm
you.
gonna say, Jack, Tracy,
What?
who wants to stay next to me because I'm not sure I'm gonna make it. No, wait. We should.
Rome
Oh, no.
wasn't built. No metropolis.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
I don't think Roman's gonna win.
Oh, come on, people! I want to do an extra auditory out jumping off the thing.
You're gonna die. Yay, metropolis!
No Superman exists.
The
Why
thing
should you
is,
go-
though,
I want to see what they
this is gonna be extra mode, because we're gonna have more time.
Oh,
Okay, this round will have an extra 60 seconds.
oh, an
Yay.
extra 60 seconds of pain.
No, I think that's the startup, the beginning part, I think.
We have a minute to prepare. So. Oh my gosh.
What is the mode going to be? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
If you're screaming, oh no, it's bad.
But you get 5,200.
Yes. Basically, this tornado could insta-kill you if it wanted it. Kinda bad.
Life just sucks for all of us, doesn't it? I found a fire extinguisher.
A ghost tornado is a supernatural type of tornado that can transform into a ghost orb.
Oh, great. Oh, great.
When a tornado transforms and goes off, it turns almost completely invisible and can move at unprecedented speeds.
Oh,
God.
Its invisibility, trait, speed trait, and strength trait that of an ES5 makes this tornado a dangerous threat to them all.
oh.
The tornado is this tornado can turn invisible, indicated by only a purple orb. When in orb, it can travel at significant speeds.
I found a key.
I would just
Galaxy.
say to go to the wall borders if you do not have a shelter key,
I am joining you
but
right
not
there,
to the
Jack.
corners.
Jack, I think that's a...
Where's the shelter?
Oh,
Where's the shelter?
Tracy, me, and Cosmo found the shelter.
Where's the shelter?
Let me see.
Oh, I see
No,
it.
I found it.
Oh, there's a
Yeah.
ghost tornado. There's a ghost tornado.
Where?
We have to survive 3 minutes of the torture.
No! Oh, come on. No, please, I beg, no, I beg.
Where did you go?
Galaxy? Oh, Galaxy.
Wait,
Wait,
is this where it is?
Yes. In one of the...
Yep, I see it.
Galaxy, go. Live your life. Live your life. Forget...
Who's
Snapple?
in here?
Snapple, are you dead?
Pretty sure he's still alive, yeah.
Okay, cool. Snapple's good. Snapple, how's it... How's the the weather over there?
In my view, who else has a key?
I don't have a key.
Snaps.
Yeah.
Oh my
There
god.
goes Tracy.
Wait, Tracy.
No!
Tracy, how is it like on the other side?
Jack, do you have a key?
I don't.
Jack doesn't have a key.
I don't think
Jack.
Snap does either. Oh no,
Snap.
purple orb.
There's a ghost. There's a ghost.
Okay.
Is there gonna be a ghost? Oh gosh. Someone else has a key. It looks like someone else is waiting on the Oh, this just looks like hell.
You know, I would make this so that everyone can join, but I don't have any Robux in my name. I am poor as poor can be.
I have 2 for my name. I have like 2, but that's fine. Geeks. I have like 2.
Did you-
Yes. I don't want to get paid. I'm fine.
Oh my goodness, gracious, why?
Sorry.
Oh,
Snap
we
up.
lost Snap. We lost Snap.
Snaps. Forgive us.
He got one shot.
Oh gosh. I have never.
And we have to survive another minute of this too.
I'm
Snap out
gone.
again.
I think I'm gone. I'm sink.
I'm so curious now.
Oh.
And Snap was dead
Oh,
another
oh.
time.
Oh gosh. Please, crouch.
Rip Tracy again.
The way.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I
And
don't
keep
know
in
how I
mind
did
too
it.
that we still have to survive the hurricane after this.
Oh gosh. There's a hurricane after this?
Yeah.
Oh my god, who added the extra stuff?
Kiddo 9234458 did.
Oh, I hope you have a
Snap, I
terrible
swear to everything.
At least we got money. Oh my gosh, why
Snap
did
just added
you
another bonus disaster.
I'm looking
What-
for the
what-
key now.
What I would
Wobble.
say for the hurricane is watch where the wind is coming from, and then get behind where the wind is coming from.
I'm trying to look.
Hurricane Peter! Is that a Defender
Oh.
King reference?
Oh gosh. Why is it sounds like Skyrim music right now? Why do I sound like I'm gonna kill an eldritch boss from like Blood Bowl or
What one block guy? What do you mean?
Galaxy, if you see me, wish me
Oh,
good luck.
category 3. Category 3, so get behind something where the win is currently facing.
Where's the town?
You have to specify one snap, because I'm not sure what you're trying to say.
Oh, that's a great area, my friend. That is a brilliant area. I shall join you down here.
Ha!
My friend, we will hide in this corner.
Question is, if there's gonna be a Star Wars surge.
I don't know, me and this man are just hiding behind this building. This could be...
Well, there's a structure called collapse. Bro! What's this all these protesters assets?
What is a tsunami? What? You can't live a tsunami and a hurricane.
Snappo has put on another hurricane.
Snappo? We are...
And an alien invasion has been
Bro!
Oh, Snappo, you know we work in the same testing group. You know that, right?
Things cracky for.
Don't do this to me, Snappo. Please don't.
Snappo.
Snappo, please. Snappo!
I don't appear to be in that server.
Wait,
Which
I
server are you
think
talking
you
about?
Jack once.
I
think we got- Wait. Oh, okay. I mean, well, we're in this server. I'm not helping you.
Snap.
I am
How did
not
you get
helping
Being
paralyzed?
paralyzed. What a flop.
you. I'm helping you. I'm a good fella. I'm a good
Hey,
friend.
no! Jack Scarlet, let me get
What?
him.
Let me get him.
No, let me get him.
Yes, yes.
Let me.
I will hit you with a blow.
No!
Let me get Snappo. Who has Snappo? Did Snappo perish in your arms? Did he die in your arms tonight?
Dude, I just listened to that book for the whole game.
Snap us, Thanos snapped.
Snaps.
Good job, you guys.
Oh.
You survived. Unlike me.
Bro! Well,
Tracy, I don't know how I
Cosmo
live.
surprisingly survived as well. And that's a hard one to survive.
I don't know how
I just laid in the bunker.
You were lazy.
I wasn't lazy. I was just I was trying to survive.
No, Tracy and Jack and us, we took the hardcore mode. We chose
If you had the shelter key, you would have done the exact same thing.
absolutely.
Tracy boy bomb!
I agree with you. That was
Excuse me?
I wanted to.
Guys,
I,
demote Jack. I mean,
What?
demote Snap.
demote Jack. How do we demote Jack?
No! Why did I do?
Wait.
Nothing.
Oh,
Demote
Oh.
Snappo from.
hey, I would love to make a Minecraft server with the testers. You know, I would love to see what they
That
can
would be
build.
so fun.
It
Yeah, that's
would.
still not gonna happen, Snap.
No, because Snapper said promote Snapper to Deluxe. Incredible microwave fan.
Microwave fan. Oh yeah, guess what my sisters cooked? My sisters cooked like scones,
So our mum made a scone and I made brownies.
and then they made fudge.
How delicious.
So we
Oh,
have
which one
like
doesn't
three,
show that?
A scone.
the British cooked them a lot for like tea parties. Oh yeah, we have like
Scones are
Snap
delicious.
American.
It's basically just a snow cone. Converted into one word, a snow.
No, it's nothing like a snow cone. It's like a bread.
It's like a bread cake, a small bread cake in a way.
A bread bun cake, you could say.
This is Cosmos. Come here.
Oh, I
Yeah,
found
come
the
in,
shelter
Smash.
key.
I'm following. Oh my.
Oh, I just broke my leg.
Oh.
Good job.
And my rib cage and my right arm.
Does anyone want the shelter key?
Oh wait.
Oh, let me open the place.
I found key
Oh,
of shelter.
Snappo.
And I swear this one
Oh,
guy
no,
I
doesn't
broke
want
my
to get it.
stupid leg.
Bro,
Oh my god, you two injured people are walking to each other.
Tracy.
I broke my left leg and I broke my left arm.
is someone getting the shelter key? Yes or no?
Wait. Tracy, you broke your left side. I broke my right side.
Bro,
Oh yay! And you
who
can
is
find
getting
each
the
other
shelter
people
key?
for everything. I hope the tornado doesn't spawn all
I
the
want
tomatoes.
There's a bomb. Holy flea. No! Whoa!
Oh, I'm dying. See,
I'm gonna die.
Okay.
Finally, someone.
call for help.
I didn't know you had a
Bro,
French.
where are you, Tracy and Gal?
Dad.
Oh.
I'm on my
Okay,
way.
where are you then, Tracy?
I'm going to Zed.
Somebody picks me up and running with me.
Oh no.
Okay, let's see how well they can dodge the tornado.
Jumper. I said jumper.
Please.
Tracy.
Just nearly smacked him. That's good to see.
Where are you, Tracy?
Tracy, be careful. Tracy's being flung into the ether. Oh no. I'm gonna.
No,
I
no.
like that. I think you didn't come fast enough.
Jack.
No, wait, hold on.
What?
I'm
Wait, I'm
gonna.
gonna.
Let's
Okay.
see, I told you.
Jack,
You've
stop.
got one job. Save me.
I'm dead.
You're not saving me. That is the opposite of saving. You saved me.
I'm gonna lose my mind.
Thank you. Oh, hi, Snappo. Snappo was about to save me.
Snappo, take her in. Bring her into the thingy.
Can Snappo save me?
If he goes in, will you go in with him?
I don't know.
Snappo,
Ah,
Snappo,
yes.
please don't. Snappo, don't sacrifice me to the wind gods. That's every single one I don't want you to do. Do not sacrifice me to the wind gods.
Very well.
Snappo, please.
I'll sacrifice you the other. No! Drop her, please! Drop her,
I'll
please!
sacrifice to the atmosphere.
No, you can't do that.
We all.
Drop her, please!
He's gonna drop me.
Drop her, please!
Oh, what is he? Oh,
Pretty please!
Snappo's gonna drop me off the
I
air.
survived despite breaking my left leg and left. Oh, damn it.
Well, invasion.
Oh, Snappo.
Where even
This
are you?
Jack, I'm not gonna make it.
Oh,
What's this?
Just think of it.
oh.
I can buy lead.
Got a broken leg and a broken
Here,
arm.
go.
Where's the shelter though?
Shelter is over here.
It
Wait,
is
hold-
foggy.
Snappo really wants to kill me. Okay, Snappo. I'm sorry, whatever
Oh, I
I
see you
done.
well. Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, did I die?
Remain low to the ground. The Dr. Class who can kill you quickly.
Wow.
What? Here they come. Stay low and run away. You get to Telsha. If you have a bag, protect yourself from us. We do not have that.
We go back.
I wish I had that key, but wait.
5 embers, 3 little,
Oh.
1 gooey, 10 romans, 5 mammoths, 2 hazmats, and 2 crawlers.
What?
Oh, here come the zombies. Ah,
Lift me.
are you serious?
Snappo sacrificed me to the zombies. I say.
Bye!
Jump on the building. Get on the high ground. Get the high ground. What does Obi-Wan Kenobi have said to you? High ground.
I have the high ground.
But you also have to stay low to the ground too.
Don't make me away.
I can't believe Snapple has actually sacrificed me to the zombies. I wish they could come back as a zombie right now.
Toxic gas cloud is gonna be lowering now.
The toxic cloud is lower. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Galaxy, I believe in you. Check in the building. Galaxy, I believe in
5
you.
minutes through this one
I
good
thought you were sitting here.
I'm gonna go now. Bye, guys.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
See,
Bye,
take care.
Tracy.
Take care.
Oh god.
So Jack goes sleep.
No. What?
What, Jack? What time is it for you?
Nuh-uh.
It's totally 9 a.m. here.
No, it is 11:48 p.m.
No, it's 9 a.m. here.
Oh, it is not.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it is not.
Yes, it is.
Nuh-uh.
Yaha. Oh my goodness.
Jack said yaha revealed.
What?
Okay, anyway,
Is
bye.
this something I don't know is a Yaha?
How much lower is it gonna be?
Oh, you
That
can't
isn't-
even jump.
That isn't so bad. Okay.
I'm on a bit of the building, like not fully.
It's the
but
final
like,
wave of the zombie invasion. Remain vigilant.
Oh,
Galaxy, I believe in you. You can win.
Also, too bad, Snap.
Did Snap die?
I don't think he died.
If he did, because I'm waiting for him with the crowbar. How dare you sacrifice me to the zombies? I thought we were teammates.
Gotta get that evil ending.
we did it! We did it!
Galaxy,
Good
you jump
job.
again, you will die. Good.
Well, good.
I know you have to get that ending. I know you have to get that evil ending, but still, that was a cold. That was a sad, sad blow. That
Wow.
really hurt. Ooh. Yo, witch. Also, Jack, I have an image that of like when you were on that boat with Tracy. Like, I have an image of your like corpse.
My what?
Your corpse. I don't know what happened, but your game glitched out. So I'll send it to you. Give me 2 seconds. I'll send it to you. Do
I did not die while at the same time I was driving a boat.
Where are you? Jack Scarlet. I'll send it to you. Don't worry. Files. Don't worry. What screenshot is it? Is it that screenshot? No, that's the breaking screenshots. No.
Did you take a screenshot of it?
Yeah, I did the Roblox thing. Why did it not register in my screenshots, please?
Did not.
I had your corpse on. That sounds awfully wrong. I had an image of your head floating around. Still sounds terribly wrong.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
Whoa. I voted the wrong one. Oh my god, can I
Rep.
change my vote? Oh my god.
You can't.
I just noticed Rome was built. Please.
It was built in 2.
It was built in 2 days. It was built in 2 days.
Rome was built in 2 days.
Oh, please,
What?
please.
No.
What's this?
Toilet paper.
Is that
Oh,
Tuesday? No. On low risk.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Doomsday. Oh, I see a tsunami and.
Yeah.
But this is the end of the
To
world,
say this
Galaxy.
simply, we're all screwed.
Galaxy.
Oh my goodness.
We gotta kill for each
And
other.
also, just so you know, there's no shelter key either.
Oh,
That's disabled.
you know what? Galaxy, do you want to watch the sunset go?
No. And if you lose faith,
Bro,
that's when you die.
It's Doomsday.
the end
I
of
know,
the
but-
humanity has arrived. Earth as we know it is to come to an end.
Look, Tracy luckily left at the right time.
You must withstand 4 power disasters in order to survive the end of the world.
Oh my gosh. I can't see anything. It's dark.
May Mother
Why is
Nature
it-
have mercy on your souls.
Oh. None of the gods.
Yeah, that
What's
is true.
Only Albert Tracy from missing.
It is time for the Doomsday Prophecy.
I am gonna cry. It's
Oh my
Rain.
goodness, that's it, Rain.
Why did I leave? Why did I leave? Why?
And so it begins the chaos. Get
Oh
a
my
shelter now.
I can't even see anything. What is that? That big snowman falling down.
Okay.
The big snowman falling down.
Okay, I'm inside, I think.
That doesn't have a roof.
There, I'm in.
Oh, hi,
I haven't
Jack.
done. Hello, the cosmos. Where's that coming from?
Wait,
Oh no.
Why is it green?
Where's the
Aliens?
Where's the Moab? Where's the Moab?
What mold?
There's supposed. There was like so much happening all at once. Oh my goodness.
I'm just hoping we live. That's the thing I'm hoping for. If we
That
live somehow.
depends.
What did Snapple say, Gal?
I can't,
Okay, Jack, what did Snapple say?
I forgot those Moabs. We can't see where it is. They're basically just like huge charging explosions.
Oh, we could be. Oh my god.
Look at how I'm surviving.
You're under one block. You are under one block.
My arms are not getting acid.
Oh, Gal, say goodbye.
Ah. Go away, go away, go away.
Let's just hope that the structure can stay alive in case we have to come across a super tsunami.
Oh, Jack,
I died.
don't look at the ceiling,
Oh, there
Jack.
you go.
There's no ceiling coming up. There's ice spikes. When did this come
Okay.
breaking?
What? What do you mean?
The tornado
Oh.
and stuff. Oh,
Oh.
Jack, we gotta go, Jack.
Just a
I
little
thought
bit
it, like,
more. Okay, we're good. After rain is done. Crap. Meteors are next.
What is that?
Basically, you have to look up.
Oh,
Because
God.
meteors are
dude.
gonna be coming from up the sky. Oh, we don't
Oh.
have to worry about acid rain anymore. Depends how much meteors there are, though.
Oh, I'm following you, Jack. I trust your ability
Okay,
to
13
make
isn't that much.
I
Oh,
trust your
dear.
ability to make choices.
We
Yeah.
lost our structure. I don't even know where you all are.
Oh, this feels like hell. Oh well,
Probably because
technically-
it is. I also
Yes,
don't
that's-
see the purple fire either.
I hope if this happens ever in any sort of situation in the world. How do I tell if it's going to strike in my area?
You have to look up to know where it's coming from, and you have to predict where it goes.
Oh, I see how it works.
Have to really be careful though. Especially since we got radiant snowballs.
Oh god,
Yeah.
it's still raining ice.
Okay. Oh, that helped.
I think Jack. Oh god. I can't see anything. Oh, I can see hell. I can see just hell. I have 8 HP. I might die. I'm not surprised.
Oh my goodness.
I died.
Yeah, you did. I'm sorry, Cosmos was every man for themselves.
I'm joining again. I gotta see what's going on. Jack, I don't know how you're doing it. I've joined. So what? I've
Wait a
joined
minute.
from the undead. I'm the undead.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
Jack,
Okay, what?
I hope this pterodactyl's next round. They just grab and just take you and
Hey.
chuck you. That would be
Okay.
a terrible Armageddon.
What's
Maybe
next?
die, get it? What did Steph
Oh.
say? What's
Okay.
that?
I think we should be fine with this.
Oh,
A super tsunami. You have to get to high ground and you have to also use the gravity coil too. But this super tsunami is 325 steps high.
I don't think we're gonna make it, lads.
Wait, this is a heal point?
No. Lads, it was nice knowing you all. Oh god,
I mean, there is no high ground.
there is one high ground. I'm with it was Jack and popped the
No,
dance.
that's a missile strike. Okay.
Good.
Yeah, the tsunami is coming from this side here.
Oh god, I don't know how Jack's gonna live this. Jack died.
I'm still alive. Oh, you can't really see it either. Okay.
There's no way. There's no way no one's gonna live this. There's no way. I'm just seeing. Snappo, are you dead?
I think Snap, Rexori and me are still alive.
It's Foxy! But also, incredible.
Why? Okay. I think this one is doable.
How is it anything doable?
Yes. Just...
The world
Oh,
is falling
okay.
apart. Nothing's doable.
Oh, 55 steps high, that's not that bad, actually.
Everyone's on that piddly bit of stick, hoping it's doable. Oh my god, this looks like something from Doom. Oh my god. Oh wait. Speaking of, there's ice spikes. This is. Speaking of games, I should introduce you to another game. Like, what was it? It's based off a horror game, but yeah, I will introduce you guys to horror games. My love of horror games is too much. Oh my god. I'm just gonna say to you guys, I don't know how you guys are doing it, but I'm impressed. There's 8 survivors. My god. Is that a noob? No, that's not a noob. I can't believe. Jack, did you actually... Jack and... Oh, no. Snappo, did you guys actually live? Oh, you guys are not going to live for long. Do we still have a black hole? Oh, also... Okay, you have to go after this round? Okay. Okay. Oh, that black hole is beautiful. They really done that beautifully done. That color is really pretty, may I say. But also, one. Just one. How do you... Oh my gosh. But yeah. Also in the future, hopefully when I get Minecraft working, when I get Minecraft working, guys, I'm gonna plan to maybe make a server for the testers. Maybe. If I can. But it will have mods in it, so it'll be slightly different. Speaking of mobs. Mods. But mobs. There's gonna be Minecraft Live soon. So yeah, we've got to start voting soon again. Jack. Stace? This is
Galaxy.
Galaxy. I hope I have a black hole named after me. Jack? How did you... Oh, wait, why is everything going different colored? Oh god. What did Snapple say?
But
Oh, why? I hope. We have 1 minute of living. If a black hole comes to this corner, we're all dead. I might move, actually. Speaking of black hole, we probably should start moving. Probably go to the middle.
we're on this corner.
Yeah, and if a black hole gets spawned there, actually, I think that corner might be safe after all. Game, come on. I've only have like 2 seconds left. Come on. We somehow live. Did we live? Snapple, did we do it?
Jack's still on, by the way. He hasn't left yet.
Oh, Jack. Jack, are you...
Just after the round, actually.
Oh. Jack, are you... Jack to Cosmos, are you there?
He's on mute.
I'm gonna see if he can talk from there.
I can barely contain myself.
Oh, Jack. You need a hero. Na 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 na.
Don't.
Sorry. I had to do it. Do you have to go after this, Jack? Jack, oh my gosh, look at your coin count. Okay, I understand the elites triple it, but oh my god. See ya. See ya. Jack. Well, I guess we'll continue playing with Snaps. Alright, what's the next one, Snaps? Hold on, quickly checking in break-in testing room. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, that's boring enough. I'll go check that out later. Also,
I wonder what it's gonna be.
please. Well, did you choose Metropolis again? We've already done it. I know.
I didn't see Rob. I should. I like it because it's hard.
Oh,
I like hard maps. They're more fun than easy.
I mean, that's That's
Well, that can help you survive. Hold the key. Survive anything Mother Nature throws at you.
alright. I can't believe Jack found this game.
What's correct?
Snapple, it was 1, 3, 600, and
3-4 times.
I've only won 12. Look inside the windows. Because sometimes if you look inside in the window, they might... Snapple's found the safety key. Gal, I want you to find the safety key. Gal, find the safety key. I want you to live. But if no one has, if I'm next to it, I'm gonna have to take it from you. Just saying. Someone else has found a safety key.
Survive 3 tornadoes.
3 tornadoes? Well, I've got a fire extinguisher. I'm not sure that's gonna help, but fire extinguisher. Oh god, that was about to be game over for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go to bottom floor. Probably go bottom floor. Because the high are probably... Crouch, crouch, C,
Crouch exists.
C, pull.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, 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 dead. I'm dead.
I'm probably dead too. I'm probably dead. Oh, I'm above the world. Oh. I'm gonna have to call for help. And I definitely need a help. Gal, can you respawn and give me a little hand? Oh wait, hold on, Foxy got me. Okay, someone has me. What's his user's name? What is today? Oh gosh, here comes the collateral damage. Snapple, are you still alive?
He's in the,
Oh, you're
thingy.
You're probably in the Oh gosh. Okay. God. Free tornado, not turtle. Oh, okay. Be right back. Okay, cool. Go. See you soon. I got struck by Zeus. I got struck by Zeus. Well, at least I got the badge I always wanted. Hold on, let me quickly go check on shop. Upgrades. Upgrades? Excuse me?
Then we gotta go.
Oh, we gotta go?
Yeah.
Okay, Snapple, we gotta go.
We gotta go, Snapper.
Hopefully,
Bye.
take care, Snapple. See you soon.
Have fun.
Have fun. Bye, take care, Snapple.